Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sayeda Aisha. Organometallic compounds is the unit which is prescribed under the inorganic chemistry part of the BSc syllabus. In this session, I would like to discuss the definition and the classification of organometallic compounds with appropriate examples based on the nature of the metal carbon bond, which include ionic, s, p, and multi-centered bonds. Before going on into the details of this session, let us first define what do we mean by a metal carbonyl. Metal carbonyls are the compounds which are formed by the combination of CO molecules, that is carbon monoxide molecules with the transition metals. During the formation of the metal carbonyl bond, the electrons are supplied by the CO molecules, and we can say that the metal atom in the carbonyl is in zero oxidation state and the CO molecules act as the neutral ligands. The metal carbonyls were first synthesized by Paul Schutzenberger in 1868 by passing chlorine and carbon monoxide over platinum black when he obtained dicarbonyl dichloroplatinum. Although many compounds were produced, they were not fully characterized until the development of the X-ray diffraction studies, IR, and the NMR spectroscopy. In general, we can say that the metal carbonyl compounds obey the 18 electron rule. The metal carbonyls are generally diamagnetic, poor conductors of electricity, and are soluble in organic solvents. Coming on to the classification of metal carbonyls, the metal carbonyls can be classified on the basis of the number of the metal atoms and on the basis of the nature of the metal carbon bonds. In the first type of classification of metal carbonyls, which is the classification based on the number of metal atoms, the metal carbonyls can be classified as mononuclear or monomeric carbonyls, and the second one, which are the polynuclear carbonyls. The mononuclear carbonyls are represented by the general formula MCOX times, or they can be defined as the carbonyls which contain one atom of the metal per molecule. The examples for this class include nickel tetracarbonyl, iron pentacarbonyl, chromium hexacarbonyl, etc. The polynuclear carbonyls are represented by the general formula MXCOY into Y times, where X is greater than 1. Here, in polynuclear metal carbonyls, they contain two or more metal atoms per molecule. Examples for polynuclear carbonyls are dimanganese, decacarbonyl, diiron, nanocarbonyl, dicobalt, octacarbonyl, and etc. The second type of classification of the metal carbonyls is on the basis of the nature of the metal-carbon bonds. In this class, the metal carbonyls are classified into 4 different types like ionic organometallic carbonyls, sigma bonded covalent organometallic carbonyls, pi bonded covalent organometallic carbonyls, and the fourth one being the electron deficient organometallic carbonyls with bridged multicentered bond. Let us study the first type in this type of classification, which is the ionic organometallic carbonyls. Most of the organometallic compounds of the alkali metals, except lithium compounds, which is largely covalent, belong to the group of ionic organometallic carbonyls. Such compounds which include in this class are colorless, salt-like solids and are soluble in polar solvents. The second one which belong to this category are the sigma bonded covalent organometallic carbonyls. Metallic elements present in the group 2, 13, 14 and 15 as well as the D block elements are the transition metals with fully d orbitals such as zinc, cadmium, mercury form the organometallic compounds in which the metal atoms are bonded to the carbon atom by a sigma bond. The third type of compounds in this class based on the nature of the metal carbon bonds are the pi bonded covalent organometallic carbonyls. This class include the organometallic compounds of alkenes, alkynes and some other carbon containing compounds which have electrons in their pi molecular orbitals. The fourth one is the electron deficient organometallic carbonyls with bridged multicentered bonds. The metal carbonyls which are electron deficient and occur in polymeric forms belong to this group. These compounds are considered as intermediates between the ionic organometallic compounds of alkali metals and the sigma bonded organometallic compounds of silicon, tin and lead. These are some of the references which have been used to prepare this session on the definition and classification of organometallic compounds. I thank you all for hearing this session on organometallic compounds. Thank you.